my little ones, I am so happy to be here. Tell me, how was your long weekend? Did you enjoy? Did you have fun with mommy and daddy at home? Well, I did, and it was so much fun. But now I am ready for one more week of a lot of very funny classes. In this case, we're gonna have English class. Well, today's topic is syllables. Syllables, in Spanish we call them sílabas, and sometimes we use syllables to make reading easier. When I separate one word into syllables, that gives me the opportunity to read it easily. So I'm going to explain a little bit about syllables in English, and then we are going to go over some examples. Are you ready for this translation? Okay, well, let me zoom in so you can see what I'm saying right here. Well, we can divide syllables into two groups. Syllables can be open syllables and closed syllables. Well, basically, you don't need all this theory, but anyways, I would like to explain it to you because you might need it later, maybe in transition grade. So, as I was telling you, all syllables have a vowel. Remember that vowels are A, E, I, O, U. All the syllables need a vowel. That's fact number one. Fact number two, syllables can be open and closed. A syllable is open when the first one ends up in a vowel, and that is the case of tiger and pilot. Let's take a look. Pie. In both cases, the first syllable ends with a vowel, so it means this is an open syllable, and all the open syllables have a long vowel sound, or we say the name of the vowel at the end. In this case, we don't say T, we say tiger. This is the long vowel sound. Tiger, in this case, pilot. Pilot, okay? That's an open syllable that ends in vowel. Vowel, vowel. Now, let's take a look at the closed ones. In the case of the closed vowels, you will see it's kind of different because the closed vowels end in consonant. Consonants are regular letters. For example, in this case, sandwich, sandwich, carpet, carpet. If you take a look, the first syllable ends in the consonant, the same as here, R in this case, D in this case, and we have a short sound of the vowel. This A sounds as it is regular sound, and the same in here. Carpet, sandwich. So closed syllables end up in consonant, and the vowel sounds in its short sound version. Okay, so as I tell you, this is not important right now, but you will need to know that for first grade. Now, let's take a look at an example. Here I have the word helmet. What is a helmet? A helmet is something that you use to protect your head. So, helmet, in this case, I'm going to teach you how to separate one word into syllables. So for this, you have to take into account two steps. Step number one, you're going to underline all the vowels in the word. In this case, my word has two vowels, E, E. So I underlined my words, and the second step is to find the middle point and split the word. Find the middle point. I divided in here, and then because this is my middle point between the vowels, and then I'm going to split. I'm going to read it like this: helmet, helmet. If I want to clap, it will be like helmet, and then the whole word sounds helmet. How many syllables are there in this word? 2. Helmet. Now let's take a look at the examples, and this is where I want you to write. Go to your notebooks and write the following words. So we are going to be talking about animals in here. So the first animal is the walrus. Walrus. Look at the word walrus. Now I'm going to underline or change the color of the vowels, in this case A, U, and then split the word in the middle point of the vowels. So it will be walrus, walrus. How many syllables? 2. Walrus, walrus. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, this one is a little bit longer. Okay, what animal is this, guys? Okay, this is an octopus. So step number 1 is to underline the vowels. O, O, U. And then split the word. So I said octopus, octopus. How many syllables? 3. Octopus. Easy. What about cat? How many vowels in the word cat? Well, it only has one vowel. It means that it can only have 1 syllable. So I won't split it. It will be 1 syllable word, cat. That's it. Cat. 1 syllable. What about in this one? This animal is an alligator. Repeat, alligator. Okay, so first let's say the vowels in this word. A, I, A, O. How many vowels do we have in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 vowels. Now let's split and let's read it like this. Alligator. Alligator. It has 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 syllables. Alligator. Okay, this one was longer. What about in monkey? Let's take a look at the vowels in monkey. We have O and E. So if we split the word, it will be monkey. Monkey. 2 syllables. Monkey. Then we have this longer word that is elephant. Elephant. Let's take a look at the vowels. E, E, A. E, E, A. So in this case, I divided just like this. Elephant. Elephant. Let's clap. Elephant. Now, if you have a doubt, there's one tip that some people said is that you put your hand just right here behind your chin, and as many times as your chin goes down and touches your hand, that's the number of syllables. Let's try. Elephant. I touch 3 times my hand. Let's try it again. Elephant. Yes, 3 syllables. Oh, I like this animal. Panda. Let's see how many vowels. A. Now we divided the word into 2, and it sounds panda. just like this. Panda. Okay, very good. Easy. In this case, guess how many syllables we have? Because we only have one vowel, it means that we will only have one syllable. Fox. Fox. Whoo, way to go. We have a long word here. Let's try to read it. Hippopotamus. Okay, we have here an hippopotamus, and it has the short version. We call it sometimes a hippo, but in this case, there's the proper or the word is hippopotamus. So right now we need to count how many vowels do we have in here. We have I, O, A, U. I counted 5 vowels, and those are my red letters that are in red. Those are vowels. Now let's divide the word into syllables. Hip, pa, pot, ha, mus. Again, hip, pa, pot, ha, mus. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. I counted 5. Now let's do the hand tip. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Yeah, it actually 5 syllables in this word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one was a longer one. Now what about this one? A caterpillar. A caterpillar. Let's see the vowels. We have A, E, I, A. We have 4 vowels. Does it mean 4 syllables? Let's see. Cat, pillar. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. How many? How many claps? Caterpillar. I counted 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Caterpillar. Yes, very good. 4 claps. And the last word for today is kangaroo. I love kangaroos. Now let's try it. Kangaroo. Now let's do it with our hand first. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. I think I touched 3 times. Kangaroo. Yes. So let's see the vowels. We have A, O. In this case, we don't separate vowels, so we leave it like that because it's only one sound anyways. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Let's clap. Kangaroo. 3 syllables. Kangaroo. Well, this is something that we have to practice over and over again, and in the next cycle we will do more exercises for syllables. From now, just remember that you can use the hand tip just to know how many syllables in one word, and don't forget that all syllables have a vowel. Those are facts that you need to remember. So that's it for today's class. I hope you guys finish this in your notebooks, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.